no better place to be than by the beach. I grew up by the sea, and I've never been able to stay away from it for too long. I'd beg my parents to take me there, whatever the weather. I've always been the person who wants to go swimming straight away. When I was younger, I'd spend all my time in the water, only surfacing to eat some food. I felt restless just laying on the sand, when I knew the sea was waiting for me. My older self appreciates a bit of time in the sun, to read a book, or just to relax. Adult life doesn't leave much time for you to just lay around and take a breath. I do, however, remain very much in love with the water. Even when my body says it's too cold, I'll still submerge myself for as long as my muscles can take it. The waves leave traces, and with these traces you can discover things about our Earth and our past. I've collected many pebbles carved by the sea, abandoned homes of sea creatures, and even imprints of animals that no longer exist. I've moved on from many old hobbies and interests in my life, but for one thing I'm sure is that my love for the sea will be a constant one.